us.
Petty Harbour is a charming fishing village located on the eastern coast of the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland, Canada. It's nestled within a picturesque landscape of rugged cliffs, rolling hills, and the vast Atlantic Ocean. The community has a rich history deeply rooted in the fishing industry, with fishing being a primary source of livelihood for many residents over the centuries. The village maintains a quaint and traditional feel, with colorful houses lining the waterfront and fishing boats bobbing in the harbor. One of the most notable aspects of Petty Harbour is its close-knit community and strong sense of local identity. Residents often take pride in their heritage and cultural traditions, which are celebrated through events like the annual Fisherman's Brew Supper and the Regatta Festival. In recent years, Petty Harbour has also become a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors with its scenic beauty, hiking trails, and opportunities for whale watching and bird watching. The village offers a glimpse into Newfoundland's maritime history and a chance to experience the laid-back lifestyle of a coastal community.